In today's episode, we're going to be taking some sugar, we're going to cream this with butter, sprinkling some flour and adding some milk chocolate to make some delicious chocolate chip cookies. Stick around, these are absolutely incredible. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Pauilies Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to bake some chocolate chip cookies. These are so tasty and you absolutely need to have these in your life. Honestly, they are amazing. And the best thing about this is you don't have to use a bar of chocolate. You can use whatever's in your cupboard. So if you want to put fruit in them or dark chocolate, white chocolate or nuts, it is entirely up to you. If this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. So we're going to dive straight in and I'm going to show you exactly what we will need for this recipe. So everything you'll need is right here. So I'm also going to be using some milk chocolate. And as I said earlier, you can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, nuts, some fruit and whatever else that you want to put in there. You don't even have to put anything in if you just want plain normal cookies, but who wants that? Not me. So guys, we're going to dive straight in. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our glass bowl and I'm going to pop that there. So now that we've got our glass bowl, we're going to be taking our dark brown sugar and we're also going to be taking our light brown sugar and we're just going to put that in there just like that. Next, we're going to take our palette knife and we're going to take our butter. And what we're going to do, chop off the butter in rough chunks and place this into our bowl with our sugar. Now we're just going to take a spoon and we're going to coat our butter in our sugar. So now that we've mixed our butter in with our sugar, we're going to take our whisk. We're going to take our whisk attachments and we're just going to plug this into the bottom of our whisk. Just going to place a whisk into our bowl and turn it on a low speed. So now that we've creamed together our butter and our sugar, we're going to take our eggs and crack that and pop that into our bowl. We're going to take our second egg and we're going to crack that as well. So they're both in there. And take our whisk again and we're going to whisk all this up. Once it's nice and brown, it looks like this, take out your whisk and pop it to the side. So we're just going to move that slightly across and we're going to take our flour and we're going to take our baking powder and we're just going to sprinkle the baking powder on top of our flour. So we're going to take our sieve and we're going to take our flour and we're going to sieve our flour and the baking powder into our cookie mix. So now that our flour and our baking powder is in with our mix, we're going to take our whisk and we're going to push it in and then mix it on a low speed. So now that our cookie dough looks like this, and it's a really thick, sticky, delicious dough, we're going to move that across there because now we need to take our chocolate or whatever ingredients that you are using for your cookies and we're going to open this up and we're going to place this into our dough. So find the best way to do this is to take a sharp knife. Don't try that at home please. And we're going to chop this up quite roughly so we get all different size bits of chocolate. So now that all of our chocolate chips are in our cookie dough mix, we're going to move it back to there. We're going to take a couple of spoons and we are just going to mix our chocolate chips in with our cookie dough. So in case you're wondering why I've used 2 spoons, I'm about to show you. So we're going to take a great big baking tray like that. We're going to take a piece of baking paper. So the reason for the 2 spoons, as I was saying a minute ago, is so you can scoop some cookie dough and because it's sticky, you can scrape it off. So what you want is a nice roundish shape on your spoon and then with your second spoon you can slide it off onto your baking paper. I like to put 6 cookies per tray because I know these will spread out quite a bit in the oven. We're going to bake these at 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. So just in case you've made loads of cookie dough, like loads of it, or you just don't want to eat it all at once because it's a lot of sugar, to be fair, if there's only a couple of you in the house, let me show you how to keep it. So what you want is you want to take some cling film and you want to open the cling film across your workstation, your work surface. You want to take a sharp knife and cut straight down your cling film. Next, you want to take your leftover cookie dough and you want to use your spoons. Again, that's why you need 2. And you want to place an equal amount of cookie dough in a sausage shape on your cling film, just like this. Try and get it nice and even. There we go. I'm going to place our last little bits on there like that. So what you want to do is you want to take this piece of the cling film and you want to roll it over like that and push down. Now once you've got it like that, you can safely wrap your fingers around it without getting it all over your fingers. And then fold it back over on itself and just give that a roll. Once you've done that, grab the ends and roll that across your work surface as best as you can, and you'll have a nice sausage shape of cookie dough, and you can put this in your freezer and this will last for a month or 2, which is perfect because you can put it out your freezer and you'll be able to slice it. But we'll show you that in the next video. So our cookies have been in the oven now for about 8 to 10 minutes, so we're going to pull them out and see what they look like. So yeah, as you can see, they look absolutely incredible and they smell so delicious. What I'm going to do is I'm gently going to pull them off the baking tray, whoop, because they need to cool before I can tuck into these, and they just cool down that little bit quicker if they're not on your baking tray. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make delicious homemade chocolate chip cookies. These are incredible and you need to make these, and they are so tasty. But guys, that's it from me. If you are watching near the time of recording, stay at home, stay safe, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Next, we're going to take our whisk and trash the kitchen.